If you are a TaxCalc customer who struggles with their onboarding procedure for clients, such as proposals and letters of engagement, if you struggle with tracking jobs, if you struggle with your pricing, then Engager is the product for you. Integrated with TaxCalc, it's going to manage your entire practice for you. So, I'm Nick Moss. I help the pre-sales and training team at TaxCalc, and I'm going to guide you through why Engager is the practice management system of choice alongside your existing TaxCalc compliance product. So, what I've got on screen here is just the landing page you see when you first access the Engager product. But if I click on my clients at the top, it will give me a list of all of my clients in my Engager system. This column here, the TaxCalc link status column, is the most important one to view at this point because, as we can see, everything is linked between my Engager system and TaxCalc. If I click on Adam Alpha Limited here on the left-hand side, I can then go to my link with TaxCalc button. If I click this, I'm able to create a new TaxCalc client if it doesn't already exist in the system, but it will tell me if there's anything that is different between Engager and TaxCalc, and that is a live link. It will tell you that as if anything is updated between either system. I can click confirm, and it will then save that information in the system. Now, alongside the client creation point where you go and fill in all the different related individuals, all the different services. So for example, for this particular client, I've got SA100 set up. I think I've got self-employed accounts, and it can do a full pricing calculator for you based on anything you like. I've got examples such as annual revenue, record type, record quality, and then it will give you suggested fees off the back of it. But you can totally customize what you want those options to be. Alongside that, once you've got those services set up on a particular client, you are then able to produce a example proposal and engagement letter. It looks like I've already done one here for Adam Alpha, but I can view the example proposal on screen. The layout of this particular proposal has been set up by one of my team. You can design the layout and look and feel of that proposal and engagement letter however you like. It can then be sent out to your client for approval through the client's portal. It will then send the engagement letter, and it will then ask your client to sign up to an online portal to be able to send documents for approval through there. Now, once you've got those engagement letters approved by the client, it will then set up the jobs. So here I have an amazing Kanban board that I'm able to set up based on particular job type. For example, I've got CSO1s, limited companies, SA100s, but I'm then able to filter it by staff member. It can tell me what each staff member has got to do. Looks like I've got a few things overdue on my ones here, but I'm able at any point in time to go and view what I need to go and complete within that particular job and who's responsible for it. So with Engager connected to TaxCalc, purely as a job tracking system is amazing, purely as a letter of engagement proposal system, it's amazing. But then once we've got the ability from TaxCalc to push through compliance information through to Engager to send out things like payment on account reminders, being able to do some maybe fancy information request type tools, this system is going to absolutely supercharge your practice management function connected with the TaxCalc database you've got so far. So if you've not heard of Engager before, and you want to see what it's got in it that can connect to TaxCalc really well, click the buttons below, book a demo, take a trial, and reach out to us today. Thank you.